What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DEVINTAGE. Before we get into the review and on feet over these Air Jordan 1 Core Purples, I wanted to let you guys know that I'm doing a giveaway starting today for these Air Jordan 1 Core Purples, man. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram at DEVINTAGEWorld. The link will be in the description box below. As always, I'm gonna have an Instagram post over there on IG, and all you have to do is double tap that picture, comment your size, and tag 3 friends, and there is unlimited entries. So you put your size and tag 3 more people as many times as you want. There will be one lucky random winner, and the winner will be announced April 3rd, the day before the release of these Core Purples. So make sure you take advantage of the giveaway starting today, and good luck to everybody. Now let's jump into the video. What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DEVINTAGE, man, back with another video, and today we're gonna do a review and on feet over the Air Jordan 1 Core Purple 2.0s. As you guys do know, they released the original version back in 2017, 2018, I believe. I forget, but now they gave it to 2.0s, man. I really am liking them. And if you haven't checked out my early unboxing, man, make sure you go check it out. I dropped that video yesterday. Go leave a like over there and then come back over here and enjoy the review and on feet portion over the Core Purple 2.0s. If you're new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now. We're right around the corner from 25K, another huge milestone in my eyes, in my opinion, and I really do appreciate it. And smack the notification bell so you never miss another video, live stream, or anything that drops on the channel. Sometimes I post pictures of what I cop on the community post, and sometimes I do polls on the channel, man. So make sure the notification bell is on so you get notified when all that drops on the channel. And if you do not mind, please head over to IG and follow your boy at DEVINTAGEWorld. The link will be in the description box below. And you guys already know the goal for every video is to pass 100 likes. So please right now hit the like button. If you don't mind, please share the video as well on IG, Twitter, wherever you can. That would be greatly appreciated. So with all that being said, let's jump right into these Core Purple 2.0s, man. Let's get it. All right, you guys already know the box. Nike on top, the OG Air Jordan 1 box, and then we have the official colorway, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, Core Purple, black and white, size 9, and these will be retailing for 170 bucks. As you guys do know, they raised the retail price up $10, but I know everybody was like, why are they doing this? Why they keep raising the retail prices? But who knows, man. So just get used to spending that 170 retail for your Air Jordan 1s. And before we get into the shoe, I want to let you guys know to go true to size with your Air Jordan 1s. I know a couple people always ask me on some of my videos, is it true to size? Should I go up half size, stuff like this? But for my Air Jordan 1s, I always go true to size, size 9. So I would highly suggest you guys do the same thing, man. White tissue paper on the inside of the box, and then here you have it, Air Jordan 1 Core Purple. Let's pull both of these things out, and you do get an extra pair of laces, man. Purple laces. And honestly, I've seen a couple pictures and I've seen a couple on feet already over these Core Purples, and this purple laces is like way lighter. It's like a washed purple that they give you guys for the extra set of laces, man. It does not match the purple on the shoe, the Core Purple, and it's more of like, I don't know, like a washed purple. I don't know the name to give it, but you guys are gonna see it on feet that this color does not match the actual purple on the shoe. On the tongue, you have Nike Air, man, in that Core Purple colorway, all white tongue, and it comes laced with the black laces, man. And me personally, I think I'm gonna rock with the black laces. I'm not a big fan of switching my laces and stuff like that, and I usually always put the laces whatever matches the Nike swoosh. So this Nike swoosh is black, so of course I would keep the black laces in there, but I do want to see how it looks with the purple in there, but like I said, the purple does not match the purple on the shoe, so I kind of think that's going to look a little weird in my opinion. On the inside of the shoe, you get your regular cardboard shoe trees, which is going to throw those out the way real quick on both shoes. And on the insole, you have a purple Nike Air in there. You guys are gonna see it in the B-roll. And of course, you got your size tag. All black insole. You have black all on the inner of these Air Jordan 1 Core Purples. Checking out the toe box, you have some nice leather. But compared to the UNC to Chicago women's release that just passed, the leather on those joints is killing these. The leather is not that spectacular. But for these Air Jordan 1s, I think that the quality for the leather varies, because I picked up like 3 pair of the Obsidian Air Jordan 1s, and 1 pair had really bad leather, and then 1 pair that I did keep had super spectacular leather, man. So you might get a pair that has super thermal leather. You never know with Jordan brand. You don't know what kind of quality you're gonna get with your Air Jordan 1s or Jordans in general. Throw this box out the way real quick. Check out the back of the shoe, all purple, man. Of course, you have your black swoosh on both sides of the kick. Very nice. The leather actually on the swoosh looks a little better than the actual side panel and toe box of these Core Purples. You have an all black wings logo, and it's not the pop out logo. I know a couple people was kind of complaining about how we got the pine green 2.0s. I'm kind of happy that they didn't give the same pop out logo they did for the pine green 2.0s for the Core Purple 2.0s. I kind of like it now more when it's stamped in. If you got that nice shiny look for your wings logo. And you have an all white midsole, man. Check it out, check it out. And then leading down towards the outsole of the core purples, all purple bottoms, of course, and your regular Air Jordan 1 trackpad. I know this is off topic, but I always wanted to know how it feels to hoop in the Air Jordan 1. Maybe one day I try, maybe one day I record it. But I think these joints are way too light to hoop in. That's just my opinion. All right, guys, so April the 4th or the 11th, they are releasing these Air Jordan 1 core purples. I'm not very sure because they keep pushing the release date back. And as you guys do know today that they announced all Nike stores will be shut down due to the coronavirus. So you never know what the release date is going to look like in the next upcoming months, man. It's looking real scary. And that's why I went ahead and copped a couple of these joints early to add them to the collection, and I can review them for you guys early so you can see how you like them when the shoes actually do release. I'm really digging these Air Jordan 1 core purples. I was glad to add them to the collection. Like I said, I took an L on the 1.0s that are releasing these joints, so these were a very easy pickup for me. Let me know right now in the comment section below if you're going to be going after these, and let me know if you think these joints is limited, man. Right now for the resale price is going for around $300, and I can just see that price going up after release date. And especially with this Jordan releases getting pushed back and stuff like that, I can see all the Jordans, you know what I'm saying, market prices going up for certain sneakers like these core purples, like the Fire Red 5s, the DMP 6s, some of the shoes that everybody is waiting on to come back out. Just don't be surprised when you see the resale prices hiking up in all those shoes. So I appreciate everybody for tuning in, man. Make sure you subscribe right now, hit the like button, and also hit the notification bell so you never miss another video that drops on the channel. Tomorrow I'm going to drop the Air Jordan 4 Air Max review and on feet, and also have a package from StockX coming in today, which I'm gonna throw that video up this week as well, man. So I got a couple of videos for you guys, got a couple of videos lined up. You guys stay tuned. You guys are gonna definitely enjoy some of the content that's about to drop on the channel, man. Head over to IG right now and follow me at The Vintage World to get more updates on what is dropping on the channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate all love and support. And with all that being said, we're about to jump right into this on feet over these Air Jordan 1 core purples, man. Let's get it.
Yeah, hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. I'm on my bling bling song, yeah. I could do this all day long now. I don't know where I belong now. Tell me where it all went wrong, yeah, now. Yeah, oh no no, oh please don't go. I got shows, I'm on the road, I'm headed home, Mmml.la. I don't know, but all these flows make me mad. I got a cold, and what's my goal? To be or not to be, that to be. Making up my mind while I'm puffing on that doobie. When I'm on my own, can't stop thinking about my roomies. Please don't call my phone, can't you see I'm with the rubies? Ruby, Ruby, I got a brand new whip, red and gold, yeah. Hop up in that backseat out at foreign. Don't nobody try some things and call me your opponent. Got a bunch of commas, then I roll up with the Rolex. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Yeah, I'm licking at my lollipop, and my mama starting to ask me where my money from. And my papa, he gon' call me when that popo come. See me run up on that hill like I'm at Comic-Con. Ooh, when I'm sober, I don't wanna front. Ooh, caught that polo right from my son. Catching feelings like them buddies you read it on. Straight up out the plane, yeah, I'm running from Babylon. What you planning on? Yeah, hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here.